Thikoni ni thutha wa kamiti ya kuramata ruhonge rwa borithi ya NPSC gutariria ati ni eimeto rekodi cia bata ni ruhonge rwa borithi makiria rekodi cia marihi ma mishara na marihi mangi. Muthia Mbunge ni gite na mweke wa kuingirira ndeto eno umuthi kamiti ya Mbunge IG KIGINA kia muingi kuhitukira muikariri gite Tindi Mwale ikiruta watho wa rekodi ici ciothe inengeranwo kuri kamiti ya NPSC na itige kuramatwo ni munene wa borithi kana ruhonge rwa borithi.
You don't give the commission the access, but you hand over all the HR function, and this is immediately. Don't say we are going to give it in 1 week. No, make it as soon as you get back to the office. Give the commission the functions so that the commission is able to execute, and even the security in Kenya will improve.
Everything to do with HR matters. That includes their welfare, that includes their payroll, that includes everything. Should actually be handled by the commission.
Maundu mambiririe guthuka riria munene wa borithi Douglas Kanja agereire ngerere faini ya kendo gucokia kiuria giki no ambunge mamurata karakara makiuga ruhonge rwa borithi ni rurahenania king'ang'aini.
Agree with this committee, honorable chair and honorable members, that the Auditor General has got the unvetted unrestricted access to all the records.
He has said here that the National Police Service avails all the documents. In other words, he's negating the statement of the Auditor General. What it means is that on oath, both Kanja and Banis are lying.
Undu uyu wihiririo ni murugamiriri munene wa kamiti ya NPSC Peter Lelei uria utongoragia kamiti ino iria thukiirwo kiwatho wira wa kuramata ruhonge rwa borithi gutitirithia ati ni maimeto rekodi cikaimana. Lelei akihoya Mbunge kuingirira thina uyu.
Is the practice in Parliamentary Service Commission, in Judicial Service Commission, in Teacher Service Commission, employer commissions like ourselves, that they have complete ownership and implementation of the payroll. So this committee is perfectly within constitutional order.
It needs to come out very clear that the owner of payroll is the commission and nobody else, for people who are called the National Police Service. So if anything is with the Inspector General, he needs to submit immediately.
Thutha wa rĩathani rĩrĩ wa maitho nĩ kana hihi rũhonge rwa borithi nĩ rũgwathĩkĩra watho ũyũ ũrĩa ũbatairie gũkinyanĩrio o ũmũthĩ kwĩtũkĩra kwandĩka na kuneana rekodi ici ciothe.
The two of you must work together for this country without the other organ looking subordinate to the other.
The National Police Service Commission, Dr. Kanja, to give the payroll to the CEO so that it's the CEO to transmit it to the auditor. It is not you. Yeah. After that, the auditor then can audit and come and bring it to this committee.
Harina KAMITI TV, Rekodi Bataru wa Mwangi.